Hey, I'm Emily, and I'm here to help you get moving. It doesn't have to be tough or overwhelming. You don't even have to leave your house. To prove it, I'm gonna take you through a 10-minute. That'll help you make sure you're getting enough exercise. You might want to use a mat for the floor moves. But other than that, you don't need any equipment. Just find a spot where you can work out and follow along with this video. Now, if you're like Chris here and haven't exercised in a bit, don't stress. We'll start slow and simple to warm you up. We'll do one move at a time, then roll right into the next. Ready at home? Ready, Chris?
I'm ready.
Awesome. Let's kick it off with 30 seconds of marching in place. Bring one knee up at a time. And drive those arms. Let's go, come on. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. You can start nice and easy. And as you warm up, start picking up that pace. You can even move into a light jog. If you're feeling good, we're about halfway. Keep it moving, feeling okay.
Yeah.
Nice, love it. If you're ready, bump that pace up just a bit little quicker. Keep driving those arms last few seconds. Almost there, and stop. Great job, Chris.
Thanks.
All right, next move. We're going into a kneeling to standing exercise. So come on down to the floor to start onto your knees. Then one leg at a time. You're coming up. Standing tall, then lowering back down. You're gonna alternate legs right. Then left. You ready?
Okay.
We're going for 60 seconds. Let's hit it down, then right leg up. And back down. Now up on the left. Stand and back down. Keep that rhythm going. If any of you have knee issues, take this one slow and controlled. You might want to add something soft under your knees like a folded mat. Just take it easy and stay comfortable. You should still be nice and warm. Heart rate stays up. You're crushing this halfway there. 30 seconds left here. How you feeling, Chris?
Yeah, good.
Awesome. Keep alternating left, right? Nice, keep that back tall and strong. Good, pick it up a little if you can. Work a bit harder, push as much as feels right. You got this. Almost there, 10 seconds, down. And right. Great, back down. That's it, awesome. You're done, great job. How you feeling? Great?
Good.
Okay, next move, let's give the legs a breather and hit the upper body. We're going into power punches. Start with your feet hip-width apart. Arms in tight, back straight. Bring your arms up, punch right, and then punch left. Keep that going for 60 seconds. Let's move. Start nice and steady. Then pick up the pace as you feel good. Keep that core tight. Protect your torso faster and faster. This one will get your heart rate up fast, trust me. It's surprisingly tough, right?
Yeah, it is.
And honestly, one of the perks of exercise is that it really wears you out, helps you relax and even sleep better. All right, keep going. We're hitting about halfway. If you're feeling good, keep that pace high. If not, slow it down a bit. Choose your level, but make sure you're still pushing. Keep working, we're warming up. Heart rate climbing. That's what we want. Keep breathing, keep punching, and keep that core tight. About 15 seconds left, take it to the finish. Don't stop. Nice big breath. Great work, stay with it last few. Good, and stop. Nice job. Feeling okay?
Good.
All right, back to legs. We're going into classic squats. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart and sit your hips back like you're sitting into a chair. And actually, if you want, you can pull a chair into your workout space and literally sit your butt down on it. It gives you a great guide for how low to go, okay? Feet hip-width apart, core pulled in nice and tight. If you want, you can bring your arms straight out in front and we're dropping those hips down again. We're going for 60 seconds. So sit those hips back and stand tall. Go only as low as feels good for you. Ideally, we're aiming to get those thighs parallel to the floor, but watch your knees. There you go. Try to keep your knees right over your feet. Don't let them shoot too far forward. And don't let your back collapse. Keep that chest lifted, core tight, spine tall. These will get your heart rate climbing fast. And if you want, pick up the pace a bit. We're already past halfway. Keep going, get as low as you can, as long as it feels okay. If you've got that chair behind you, try tapping your butt to the seat and driving right back up. Keep breathing, stay strong. Deep breaths, stay tight through the core. You're doing awesome, keep it up. How are you feeling at home? Good. All right, stay with me. And stop. Great job, everyone. Okay, next up, we're taking that heart rate even higher. We're doing star jumps. I'll show you an easier version first. Stick with that version if you want, or go big with full star jumps. So for the easier option, step out, arms up in, then switch sides, step arms up in. Stay here if you want, or take it full power with full star jumps. Choose your level. Let's hit another 60 seconds. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. You're gonna feel that heart rate climbing fast. You're gonna get breathless. And that's exactly where we want to be. It's only 60 seconds. You're already a quarter of the way in. Stay with it. If you need to, slow it down to the step outs. But push yourself if you can. Halfway. How are you feeling, Chris?
Not too bad.
Good. How are you feeling at home? Stay strong, deep breaths. Keep those arms reaching high. We've got about 15 seconds left. You still with me?
Still here.
Good. Don't stop. Last 5 seconds. Nice. And stop. Great job. You okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. We're keeping that tempo up. We're going into vertical jumps. Watch your knees on this one. Go as slow or as fast as feels right for your body. Feet hip width apart. Core tight. Bend your knees. Swing those arms back. And jump high, reach for the ceiling. Ready?
Yeep.
Let's go. Down, explode up. Make sure you're landing soft with bent knees. And if you need to, make the jumps smaller. But if you can push, these burn the legs like crazy. You'll get a break soon. Last few. Nice. And stop. They're killers, right? Great job. Okay, we're bringing the pace down a bit. Time to breathe and recover. We're working balance and lower body control. We'll start with your hamstrings down the back of the leg. Deep breaths. Feet hip width apart. Stand on your right leg. Pull your left heel up toward your glutes. Good. Now switch. Stand on your left, lift the right, and pull those elbows back each time. Ready?
Ready.
You ready at home? 60 seconds. Right leg. Left leg. Good. Drive those elbows back. We're bringing that heart rate down a bit, but not too much. Start off nice and steady. And once you feel like you've recovered a little, start picking up that pace. You good picking it up?
Yeah, we're good.
Good, awesome. Keep driving those arms. Make sure that heel comes all the way up. Try to kick your butt if you can. This is a nice, smooth move. Just getting your body fired up and moving. Okay, over halfway. How you feeling? Feeling good?
Yeah.
Then pick it up a bit more. Let's go faster. Great. And anytime during this workout, grab a quick drink of water if you need it. Then jump right back in as soon as you can. Last few seconds. Come on, really drive it in. Awesome, and stop. Great job. Stay right where you are. Next up, we've got high knees. Stay in that starting position. Feet about hip width apart. Drive that right knee up. Set it down. Then bring up the left knee. Another 60 seconds right here. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Drive those arms too. Keep those arms pumping strong. And as those knees come up, you should feel those core muscles working. Pull that core in tight. And keep that heart rate high. You good?
I'm good.
Awesome. Stick with it. As always, pick up the pace when you're ready. We're almost there, not much longer. This is all about you pushing your limits. Knees up, don't let them drop.
I'm starting to feel it good.
Almost there, keep it up. Knees high, pace strong. Good, last few seconds, you've got this. Okay, last few. Okay, and stop. We're so close to more moves to go, and these last two are on the floor. Grab that mat if you need it. I'm coming forward so you can see me better. We're going down onto our bottoms. This is a Russian twist. Sit tall. Legs in a triangle shape. Heels lightly on the floor. Sit tall. Lean back. Until you feel that core switch on. Then tap side to side. Ready, 60 seconds, let's go. If you need a break anytime, sit tall, breathe. Then drop back in when you're ready. You can also place something heavy over your feet or have someone hold your feet if someone's around at home. Good, keep it going. This one's tough, it hits your core hard. It might feel easy at first, but those ABS will fire up fast. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Keep that back straight, no slouching. If you catch yourself slouching, take that break, reset your posture, then lean back again. Almost there, just over 15 seconds. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Get oxygen to those muscles, good. About 10 more, stick with it. Good, twist and twist, nice, one more. And stop, awesome job, you're crushing it. Fantastic. Final move, don't quit now. We're going over into a mountain climber. Onto your fronts, mountain climber position. Hands shoulder width apart. Lift your knees off the floor. Straight, strong line. Alternate. Switch those legs. Knee in, back down, other knee in. Back down. Go as far as you can, less push. Get ready, hands set. Knees upright. Left, right, left, keep that rhythm. Big finish, these are tough. You can stay at this pace or level it up. Pick up that speed. Your heart rate's rising, and after this you get a long rest. How you doing? Core tight, protecting that spine, arms strong. That's it, and you're done. Awesome job, guys. That's your 10-minute cardio workout complete. How do you feel?
Feel great.
Good, hope you crushed it at home. Replay this video anytime for a longer workout. And don't forget to subscribe.